Hello, everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I want to start by saying that I am not a financial advisor. I do not provide financial advice. This is for entertainment purposes only. The reason why I created this YouTube channel is because I want to see if a poor middle class person can become rich by investing in the stock market using initial funds of annual income. So, today I want to talk about one of my investments, which is Grand Terra Energy Inc. Um, for the past year, this company is 132.56%. In the past 5 years, we actually are negative, 32.43%. Um, Back in 2020, the stock of this company was at 18 cents. And that means that 2020, 2021, 2022, 1 year and a half, I can say, because it's marking in March, like 1 year and a half, this company has obtained, have kept some of its value at in the day gain in the past at a 132.56%, if you understand what I am saying. So yeah, man, this company is looking good so far. Honestly, uh, their earnings based on what Microsoft is data is system is saying that report 14 cents. You know, um, I am thinking between 4 to 7 cents. I'm kind of surprised that is uh, that they are saying 14 cents. But hey, they are the professionals. I think they know more. Uh, Anyways, in the 3 months, let me go back to this. Uh, Let me go back. So in the 3 months, as you can see, in the 3 months, we are actually negative 10.18%. But in the past month, we gained 26.58%. And based on the fact that we have the oil crisis, one of the biggest suppliers of oil, um, 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 Russia is one of the biggest suppliers of oil. They actually are not providing um, their services to the European Union and the United States and allies. So this actually affects the U.S. Oil supply and the European oil supply. That actually that affects everybody. That affects all of us. Honestly, that affects all of us that are in the Americas. So what's happening now? Uh, Positive. There is definitely positive sentiment for this stock, and within the 1 year we have a weak bullish momentum. Here it is. This is the bullish momentum. I call it weak because, but if we are referring to December 11, 2022 until now, it's a strong bullish momentum. It's been holding. It's been very good, but within the 3 months, it's weak, right? But within the year, it's strong. So what does this mean? Actually, for me, it means that it's a good buy. Because within the year, from the massive bull run that this company had in the short term, it kept some of some of the value, which it means that there are investors who see this company as a value or as a long term something valuable. So this is definitely um, good to see for me. You know, I'm not a financial advisor. I don't provide financial advice. So, but for me, that's the reason why I invested in this company. And back in the day, in the years 2019 to 2020, we had an oversupply of oil. And I actually saw this company at 18 cents, and I bought some shares between 46 cents and I ride this company all the way up. I ride the company all the way up to here, you know. And then I sold the shares. That's how I was able to. But it wasn't just this one; it was other oil companies as well. I had that one and many other oil companies as well. That's why I was able to turn $100 into $10,000 that time. And if you know about Wheaton Petroleum and other they Wheaton Petroleum had a credit line at that time of a half a million, I think it was a half $1 million, and they pushed their stock back into compliance. But at that time, also, I'm saying we had other oil companies who filed for Chapter 11. So I'm in within Petroleum and Company, they did a stock split to bring their stock back up. And this company right here, Rick and this company right here, they haven't done a reverse stock split and see their stock um, going up and keeping some of their value. It definitely makes it sexy for investors like myself to buy. You know, it's just it's beautiful. So that's why I purchased this stock, and this is a performance review. And so far, so good. The market is very volatile, and as you can see in this chart, I don't use more um, detail and more sophisticated charts than this one because I am not a short-term investor. And even if I'm not a day trader, day traders need something better than this because they have to something that can read by the second, or at least by the minute. So this is good right here. And and yeah, for me as a long-term investor, I want to see this stock, uh, how it's going to be in the next 10 months from now. If it goes down, I will buy, as long as company doesn't decide to do a reverse stock split. But they haven't done it since 2020 was much worse than now, and they didn't do it. So I'm very confident that there is not going to be reverse stock split, and we're just gonna write it up back up to all-time highs back in 2018. The numbers of 2018, you know, uh, um, and then if everything looks well, I hope to see the 2014 share value of $8 per share. That'd be nice. So, anyways, so far this company is doing good, and I do not provide financial advisor and financial advice. I do not provide financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, and so far this baby is doing good, man. No complaints. Again, have a nice day. Be happy, man.